FL-U9. Bike Office U-Lock with fingerprint and key. Set administrator account. 1. Keep pressing the panel until the blue light is on with a beep. 2. Input administrator finger 10 times. Set user accounts. 1. Keep pressing the panel until the blue and red light flash alternately. 2. Identify administrator finger. 3. Input user finger 10 times. Reset. 1. Keep pressing the shackle until the red light is flashing. 2. Identify admin finger. Unlock with key. Wide range usage. Bicycles, motorcycles, office, etc.